Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can possibly work and fix the issue if your Wix website is not working, and this is the most effective way how you can do it. So what you want to do is just write to Google Wix contact support chat. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna have this right here, the link. You're gonna click on it, then you're gonna press here start a chat request, and I just recommend writing, and you can write here, can you connect me to real human, thanks. And website is not working, and you're just gonna chat and write it and let the support help you. See, I will connect with customer care expert and it's going to help me fix the issue. So this is the best way, rather than trying to figure it out by yourself, like what can be wrong. They can help you fix it. Hope it worked for you and it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.